Hello guys, kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipain na rin yung tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel, At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa cover song ni Echo Claridad. I'm a huge fan of Echo and gustong-gusto ko talagang napapakinggan yung kanyang mga cover song. Ang ganda-ganda kasi ng boses niya. And kinanta niya dito guys yung I can't say goodbye to you. Kaya i-play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. So, eto na.
Here's something from Helen
Grabe namang
Reddy.
face card
Hope you
yan.
like this song, everybody.
You said it would be better
Wow.
if we stopped seeing each other. If you had only met me first when you were
Oh my
free.
goodness.
'Cause now
Female key yung
you've got
ginamit niya.
commitments. I should not expect things from you that you can give to me. Oh, but baby, can't you see?
Grabe yung boses niya, no?
I can't say goodbye to you, no matter how much
Yung
more.
galing.
You're such a part of me. Without you, I would die deep in the heart of me. I knew that you and I were meant to be forever. I can't tell you goodbye.
Wow. Ang galing talaga ni Echo. Grabe naman Echo. Sobrang bitin. Sobrang bitin pero ang ganda ng boses talaga ni Echo, no? Talagang golden voice, di ba? And kahit ano yatang genre ay na gagawa ni Echo, nabibigyan niya ng justice. Sobrang husay. Alright, kung gusto nyo to guys, win nyo to malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel, Bye-bye po!